Hello, my lovelies. It's Brenda Shanley, and today we're doing the December Magical Folk unboxing. So, December Magical Folk unboxing. And I already have it open so that nobody sees my address or anything. And the first thing we have in here is a positivity card. So, it's got writing on both sides. And then, what's this? Winter Solstice Ritual Tea with Magical Intent. And it's just loose leaf tea. Looks good. And then the next thing, this is just a business card, is Aruta oil. Aruta Rue. Aroma oil. And this is good for your skin and your hair in a bath. Let's see how big the bottle is. And this is what you get. I'm going to smell it to see how it smells. Yeah, it smells pretty good. It smells pretty good. Better than I thought. And then on to the next thing. This is Cascarilla powder. And this is actually used in hoodoo for banishing and protecting. And what it is, I know you can't see it. I wonder if I'll make a mess opening this. Do you see that? This is supposedly made out of eggshell powder. And what you do is you break an egg, do whatever with the yolk and stuff, and then you clean and dry the eggshell. And then with a mortar and pestle, you'll crush it until it gets kind of dusty. And then you just pack it into something. Moving on. And this right here is a crystal. And it's, let's see what it looks like here. Ooh, that's pretty. It's kind of a light bluish gray. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. And this is celestite crystal. And it comes with this little pretty case. Another card. And then the last thing in here is we have some spiritual wisdom incense sticks. So, again, this is the December Magical Folk unboxing. So we got a lot. It was bang for the buck for sure. I'm so happy I could share this with you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Much love and many blessings to all.